Welcome to the channel named Car Vibes. Today we're diving into a car that beautifully blends history with modern innovation, the 2026 Jaguar XK120. This legendary nameplate first made its mark in the late 1940s as one of the fastest production cars of its era, and now Jaguar has brought it back, not just as a tribute, but as a fully modern performance machine with unmistakable style. The new XK120 carries forward the elegance of the past while offering a modernized interior, cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and a price point that firmly places it among today's luxury sports cars. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Jaguar XK120 is a striking reimagination of the original. Its design respects the flowing curves and proportions of the 1950s icon, but with a sharper, more aerodynamic presence. The long hood remains, but it's sculpted with aggressive creases and functional air vents, while the front fascia is adorned with slim LED matrix headlights and a wide mesh grille that wears the Jaguar emblem proudly. The body lines sweep gracefully along the sides, giving the car an elongated, elegant silhouette that harks back to its heritage. Large 20-inch alloy wheels sit within pronounced arches, and flush door handles maintain the sleek, uninterrupted flow of the bodywork. At the rear, slim taillights stretch across the trunk, while quad exhaust tips and a carbon fiber diffuser give it a sporty finish. This car looks like a piece of art but is engineered to cut through the air with modern precision. Stepping inside the XK120, you're immediately struck by the fusion of classic inspiration and contemporary luxury. The cabin design is driver-focused, wrapping around with flowing surfaces covered in premium leather, polished wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents. Jaguar has clearly paid tribute to the original Roadster with circular air vents and a clean dashboard layout, but everything has been elevated with 21st-century technology. The seats are low-slung performance buckets, heavily bolstered to keep you secure during spirited drives, yet comfortable enough for long-distance touring. They offer heating, ventilation, and even massage functions depending on the trim level. At the center, you'll find a curved 13-inch infotainment display with Jaguar's latest operating system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice controls, and over-the-air updates. The digital driver display behind the steering wheel provides crisp, customizable information, while a head-up display projects vital details onto the windshield. A premium Meridian surround sound system enhances the cabin with crystal-clear audio, while ambient lighting with multiple color options sets the mood. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either, with decent cargo space for a sports coupe and clever storage throughout the interior. It's an environment that combines heritage charm with the luxury and convenience expected in a 2026 model. Under the hood, the 2026 Jaguar XK120 offers performance that honors its racing roots. The standard engine is a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid technology, delivering around 400 horsepower and smooth, responsive power delivery. For enthusiasts craving more, Jaguar offers a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 pushing out over 550 horsepower, giving the car blistering acceleration and a 0-60 time of just under 3.8 seconds. Both engines are paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, delivering power seamlessly to the rear wheels, though an all-wheel drive option is also available for added grip and stability. Handling has been fine-tuned for both comfort and performance. The adaptive suspension system allows the XK120 to glide smoothly in comfort mode yet firm up for sharper handling in dynamic mode. Steering is precise and responsive, making the car feel agile on twisty back roads while remaining composed on the highway. With large performance brakes and lightweight aluminum construction, the XK120 combines the thrill of a sports car with the refinement of a grand tourer. The exhaust system also delivers a satisfying note, deep and rich in the V8 while more subdued but sporty in the 6-cylinder model. On the safety and technology front, Jaguar has equipped the XK120 with a suite of advanced driver assist features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and emergency braking. Parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, and semi-autonomous highway driving capability make it not only a high-performance sports car but also a safe and practical luxury coupe for daily use. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Jaguar XK120 starts at around $95,000 for the base 6-cylinder model, while the V8-powered performance version pushes past $130,000 depending on options. This pricing places it directly in competition with other high-end sports coupes and grand tourers like the Porsche 911 and Aston Martin Vantage, but the XK120 has a unique advantage with its blend of heritage-inspired design and modern Jaguar luxury. The 2026 Jaguar XK120 is more than just a revival, it's a statement of Jaguar's ability to merge history with innovation. With its breathtaking design, luxurious interior, exhilarating performance, and competitive pricing, it's a car that will appeal to both collectors and driving enthusiasts. Jaguar has managed to honor the past while delivering a car ready for the future, making the new XK120 a standout in the modern performance car world.